Here at LTK, we are celebrating our 11th anniversary. And if you followed along our journey, you know that we throw a very good party. We can't wait to celebrate in style with our LTK team, so be sure to stay tuned for all of the highlights. And if you or someone you know wants to come join in on the fun, this is a pivotal time. We're in a period of tremendous growth. We've been supporting creators for 11 years. Our mission has always been the same since day one. We're here to make creators as economically successful as possible, and that will never change. So if you want to join our team of innovators to help define the next era of shopping, one that's built on trust and relationships, where creators, retailers, and shoppers all win together, visit the LTK jobs page today because we are doubling the number of employees this year. Come join us and apply online.